This is without a doubt the biggest cabin we have ever built. If you're new to this channel, we are building a cabin that is 18 metres down its length and another 9 metres down that length. We've got a porch on the front here, and we've even got a terraced area here, and we've got another terraced area over there. I can't wait to see it go up, and hopefully neither can you. So we've got some more walls to lay out, get the layout sorted, get some logs screwed down, get a string line up, get everything straight, and then start building some walls. Better not stack it and fall through these bearers now. That'd really make my day, that. Or you.
Well, that'd be funny, wouldn't it?
So we have managed to get all of the layout completely done, and we've now got our first proper row of logs going in. A little check, make sure it's down. And it's also the fun part, the part that I enjoy the most about these builds. So start banging some logs in. Lovely. It's the start of a fresh week, and as you can tell, I've got rid of the summer gear, so no more shorts, woolly hats on. It's not freezing cold, but it's not warm enough for the shorts. We finished off the week last week by unloading the rest of the cabin, so that's all here, everything that we need. We've got a problem to solve over here that involves a beam puller, so let's go and solve that. Right, so when you get logs that are longer than 6 metres, you get a little join in the two. And what I like to do is make sure that they're all pulled in nice and tight, which involves this little tool, and it's called a beam puller. Smack each end in firmly. And then you just lift the handle and it pulls that in nice and tight. See that? Square it up a bit. That's better. I'll have that drill from between your legs, Ben, if that's all right. Yeah. Cheers, mate. And I'm just zipping these little joining plates in with 40mm screws. Albeit very awkwardly. Get this handle out of the way. That way around. Zip that in. And when I undo this, fingers crossed, it stays there. Don't mind if it moves just a bit. It's still tight. Lovely. tennis elbow. As you can tell, it's been very grey the last couple of days, and it's also been raining a lot more than it normally would, which means progress has been very slow. And the rain very suddenly turns the whole of the site into a mud bath, and it makes you feel like you're walking around with concrete on your feet, but onwards and upwards. See what we're actually aiming for. Come here a sec, man. See, in the shot earlier, you'll see that I closed this gap up with the beam puller. Then I put my joining plate on. But the actual thing that matters is that this piece here, or this section of the log, is actually touching here. And then on this side, you've got that touching there. So yes, there's a little gap there, but it's closed here and it's closed there. So technically speaking, you're basically forcing it against itself. So it doesn't matter if it's apart a little bit, we'll live. You're probably wondering who this is. This is Matthew. He's the customer who is eventually going to be living in this. He's kindly offered to give us a hand picking up the pieces and, well, building this Lego house. And I am not a person that's going to turn around and say no to a free pair of hands. And there we have it. Despite a very gloomy couple of days, we've still managed to make some pretty good progress on this absolutely massive build that we're doing up in York. The rain's just starting to roll in, as you can probably see. It's getting a bit foggy and the rain's coming down. But anyway, the next part of this is supposed to be sunshine for a couple of days, so we should make some great progress. We should be about here somewhere. Get some window openings put in and it should start to look really epic. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next Thursday at 7 p.m. Da 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 da, bum bum, bum bum. Have to move over, chance it on the death sticks. Lovely, 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 lovely.